Hi, the goal of this training is education and understanding. In Module 1, I talked about how to preach online, how to preach sermons to millions of people online. It is called digital evangelism. Once upon a time, pastors have to wait till Sunday or midweek program to preach to members, or in our modern days, pastors preach every day via the internet. In Module 2, I talked about online giving, how to receive tithes, offerings, and gifts online with gift card program. A gift card program is an electronic card loaded with money. Examples: iTunes card, Bahapu Incorporated, Amazon gift card, Best Buy gift card. I also teach how to raise funds for church cause with gift card program. In this Module 3, I will teach you how to promote church event online. My name is Alade Raphael. I am into software development, graphic design, writing, and social media marketing. I can help you to advertise your business, ministry, project to millions of people online. I can also help you to develop applicable softwares, websites, mobile and desktop applications. If you like WhatsApp, Facebook, or a particular application in your device and you want to develop your own version of that app, if you want to start your own social media business like Facebook, Twitter, if you want to compete with big tech companies, get in touch with me. We can actualize your dreams. Together we are more. I have an amazing team of software engineers. Let me tell you one thing before we start. Every walks of life need digital technology. The body of Christ is no exception. Are you prepared or not? The answer to this question will stop the revolution. So, please be prepared. I'll start this training with the story of Pastor A.A. Pastor A.A. had a vision. God promised to make him a famous servant. He wanted to touch lives through him. Pastor A.A. started his ministry, but after 5 years, he started wondering why the promises of God for his ministry are still pending. These are the characteristics of Pastor A.A. during the 5 years of ministration. 1. He looks down on every new idea, most especially idea from someone who is not a member of his church. He has forgotten that God uses him for strangers, so he can use a stranger for him. Number 2, he doesn't embrace digital technology. No website, no mobile or desktop application, no social media presence, and no special digital program for his ministry. Number 3, he doesn't believe in anything that comes to him easily. A new product or ideas. He doesn't believe in that. He wants to do it the same way other pastors did it. That's number 4. He refused to try new idea. He kept saying, this pastor did that, I must do it. You see, at life, there are rules for everything. But to write your own rule is part of the rules. Sometimes good thing comes by easily, just like that. And sometimes it disguises as a problem, waiting for you to demystify it. The choice is yours. So, let's dive into today's lesson, titled, How to Promote Church Event Online. There are 2 types of audience. 1. Warm audience. 2. Cold audience. 1. Warm audience are the people you know, your family, friends, and members of your church. They have met you. They are warm audience. Number 2, cold audience are the people you have not met and have not met you also. They are strangers, they don't know you, they don't trust you, and they don't know if they should trust you. They are cold audience. If you want to promote events online, these are the two categories of people that you will deal with: the warm audience and the cold audience. Where can you find the cold and warm audiences? They are on social media network. Billions of people have social media accounts. The people you know and the ones you don't know, they are on social media networks. Social media is a passage to larger audience. If you are looking for a way to talk to millions of people, then give social media network a shot. You can advertise on social media with any amount, even with as little as $1 per day. You can do it by yourself, or you can hire a professional social media marketer. If you want to do it by yourself, these are the required skills for social media marketing. Number one, graphic design. Graphic design. You must be a very good graphic designer. You must understand the psychology of color, the rules of graphic design, and more, like the theory of color. You must understand it. Number two, copywriting. You need the skill of an author to compose something that not only grabs audience attention but makes a lot of sense. Number three, targeting. The beauty of social media market is to target your audience. The fact is, everyone can't accept you, and that is the reason you don't need everyone. With social media network, you can target the people that matter. Are you looking for an experienced social media marketer? Then you can give me a call or send an email to me. If you have questions for me, you can send an email or call. Thank you. See you in the next video. Have a good day.